Welcome to Sovereign Distributors, the premier distributor, importer, and exporter of spirits, wine, and beer, giving you direct access and connectivity to the United States and the world. Sovereign Distributors is the leading provider in local deliveries and national ground distribution within the United States. We offer all-in-one 3PL logistics services for your distribution, import, and export needs. Our services include general inventory, boxes, glasses, promotional materials, temperature control, and much more, delivering to your favorite local markets in South Florida and around the U.S. Our import and distribution services are second to none. Export, ship, import, sell, invoice, distribute, repeat. Sovereign Distributors, the premier distributor, importer, and exporter of spirits, wine, and beer. Contact us today for all your wine and spirits import and export needs.